Welcome to OTAN, your Outreach and Technical Assistance Network.
Flippity is a powerful tool. It takes the information you enter on a Google Sheet template and then quickly and easily creates numerous online games and worksheets. Let me show you what Flippity can do. This is Flippity flashcards. This is a demo so you can see how it works. You can determine the card and the text color. Students can hear the correct pronunciation
1492
by selecting the speaker in the upper right-hand corner. They can shuffle the card
the element with atomic number 3,
or start from the beginning.
the capital of Malaysia,
They can flip the
Kuala
the side.
Lumpur.
This activity can be shared by a link in Google Classroom, through email, QR code, Facebook, Google Plus, or the actual spreadsheet. You can also embed it on your website or in your Moodle course. But that is just the beginning. You can also print a list of all questions and answers, and please note that you can also insert images and videos into your flashcards. Your students can also practice the vocabulary. There is a matching activity and a word cloud and more. With those same vocabulary words, you can create a bingo game, a crossword puzzle, hangman, memory game, word search, or print out a quiz. Flippity Quiz Show is a Jeopardy-style quiz show game which allows you to give points for correct answers or take away points. You can also change the names of the teams to meet your needs. The game is easy to set up on a Google Sheet template. There are currently 17 different activities. Each activity has links to instructions, demo, and the template. However, the easiest way to use Flippity is to install the Google Sheets Flippity add-on. With the add-on installed, you will be able to create and publish activities directly from your Google Drive. Be sure to check out OTAN's web-based article on Flippity for more detailed information.
Thank you, and as a reminder, OTAN supports California adult education agencies who are integrating, improving, and maintaining technology use in the classroom. Always stay informed by visiting the OTAN website at www.otan.us, and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.